This is my screamo voice. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do the intro to Perfect Flip and Backflip Rides if anyone knows it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, as quietly as I can do it. I can't.
You freaking scared.
I scared Heather.
No. She scared me. What was that?
That was my raw voice.
Apparently Katie likes to do screamo.
I'm good at it, aren't I?
So, guess what?
We's gonna be doing more screamo.
She gonna be doing more screamo. I'm gonna be doing more song.
Yeah.
Don't wanna know what song we're trying to do right now? Called Skyscraper.
Skyscraper.
Skyscraper by
Okay.
Demi Lovato.
Yeah. Okay. We will maybe have it uploaded, but I don't know.
I don't know. It sounds kind of bad. I keep cracking. Y'all know that?
We're gonna keep trying. So bye.
No, wait.
Bye.